Okay, it has been an hour and I'm coming back with the final results of my peach cobbler. I hope 3 minutes is long enough for me to give y'all this recipe. It is so easy. Okay, in your flour mixture, you are going to have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. That's the plain flour. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. You put all those ingredients in a bowl and you mix it well. Do not use a mixer, use a spoon. Do not use a mixer. In your baking dish, you're going to add 1 stick of butter and place that in the oven to melt. And your peach mix, you're going to have your 2 cans of 29-ounce peaches, whatever brand you desire, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. You place these ingredients in a pot and let it warm up on the stove. Don't let it boil over too much, because mine boiled over all on my stove a few minutes ago. So don't do that. Just let it, get warm enough to melt your brown sugar and mix all those ingredients in all together. And then after you get your baking dish with the melted butter out of the oven, you're going to pour your peach mix in on top of your butter. Do not stir. I repeat, do not stir. And after you pour your peach mix in, you're going to pour the flour mixture on top of the peach mix. And do not stir. You do not stir any of this together once you get it in the baking pan. Just let it go just like that on top of each other. You pour your peach mix in, then you pour your flour mix in, and then you put it in the oven. I set my oven for 375 and I let it bake for an hour. Well, I set my timer for 65 minutes and just let it bake until your dough is golden brown. You see the golden brown or a little dark. I look like mine a little darker. So whatever consistency you like your dough, just let it get to that consistency. And when it get to that consistency, you can take it out of the oven, eat it hot, cold, or however you like. And if you do this recipe, let me know how it turns out. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. And I love y'all. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.